As a trade recap, a Bob Ross trade recap. I'm not the artist, I'm the autist. Um, so this was a post CPI trade. So we had really high volatility and stuff, so that's always really good when it comes to these sort of key open Fibonacci setups. Having the high volatility just like gives that quicker and stronger reaction, which is what you really want on these type of trades. Like the more scarier the trade is, the more likely it is to be end up winning. Like if it looks like an easy trade, you're probably better get fucked. Yeah. So anyway, the my main set of confluences on this trade were the key opens, which it was the Monday opening price, or the week open, which is just the price that we open up at the start of the week. So we opened up at 25,949. And then this red one was the day open, so it's just whatever price we open up at the start of the day. So we opened up at 25,953. Monday was, yeah, opened up there. And then, Wednesday we opened up at damn, what is that? Yeah, 25,900. Anyway, you get the gist of those two. Those ones, key opens are pretty easy to like find. They're always at the exact same time. It's like they're not gonna change except for like daylight savings and whatnot. But um, yeah. Then this yellow one is the New York 10 a.m. open. Just another good like macro, I guess, that you can use. It just gives like, I don't know. There's a good chance you'll have like more a spurt of volume or whatever. Um, but yeah. Also, another good key open is the midnight open, like New York midnight time. Uh, that's also like a really strong one. It's stronger than the day open in my opinion, and the 10 a.m. It's probably like my favorite key open, but wasn't in this trade, so we'll ignore it for now. Um, but yeah. So we had what 10 a.m. open, dung, and then another candle rejected from it. But like I wasn't looking for it because I was bearish because we were targeting lower. Anyway, um, yeah. So we get this nice strong down close candle. So when you have like a strong down close or up close candle over these key opens, I would take note of that. Like you see this, I saw this, and I was like, okay, like surely we retrace now, like, and get some sort of entry off of it, hopefully. Because when you get these strong closes over these key opens, it's usually indicating it's going to come back and tap and reverse or some sort. Um, so yeah, always watch for the strong up close, down close over your key open areas. Um, but yeah, and then the other confluence we had was the fib. The fib. Everybody loved the fib. The fib is awesome. But the thing about the fib is it's more of a pattern recognition tool. So if you're a beginner, you probably will struggle to figure out where to use the fib and where to like, yeah, it's kind of, I don't know. But once you understand how to use the fib, like, oh, it's so good. Cause like I have like three different sets of fibs, but I'll only talk about this one because it's my main source of fib. But yeah, so like the optimal entry for this fib is probably the 0.62 to the 0.79 is what most people will say, but I'm more fond of just these two levels. Like I still enter off these ones and stuff, but I love these two a lot more. Like price gets really aggressive around these two, the 0.705 and 0.79 level. Um, and that's usually where I find most of my like rejection areas or rejection blocks, and like especially when it lines up like perfectly on a key open or something. Like you see these two levels on these key opens, it's just like, yeah, bang, perfect. Couldn't have asked for something better. Um, yeah. So anyway, we reject, and we create our rejection block, rejection wick, whatever you want to call it. And then you enter up the middle of that 50% level, which is just this line here. And I always just have the same stop loss and TP, like 15-point stop loss, 50-point TP. Cause like I don't know if you trade gold, gold moves and $10 moves, or at the moment, fucking going crazy. But it the 50 points is like the equivalent of that on NQ, and so always take partials or something at 50 points, and then you can target lower. Like today, not today, sorry, but like this trade, could have targeted down to Asia lows, which is where we were targeting the whole time, because uh we had CPI or whatever, and then we had this massive Jewish shit, fucking horrendous. So it's like, oh well, we've already run this fucking far. We're back under the previous week high and stuff. It's coming close to a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, yeah, London lows as well that we needed to take. So it's just like, why not? Like we should be taking this stuff. And so yeah, um, it was bearish. So like everything just kind of lined up with this trade. It was really, really good. Um, I will slap up the executions as well somewhere on the fucking screen in case you don't believe me. I hope you believe me, because like this fucking shit is super good. Also, if you've been eyeing off this, why I didn't take this, I was literally just not at the charts. Like otherwise, I probably would have taken something like that, because it was pretty much the same shit. It was like a fib level of the CPI or something. I think it was like the point 0.5 or something. But yeah. And then obviously you would have taken your 50-point partials and targeted the data highs, but data highs, yeah, no, yeah, whatever, fucking not data highs, but those recent highs. Which, yeah, surprised we didn't fucking take. So there's that. But yeah, this shit is just so good. Just like the Fibonacci, like learn the fucking fib, learn it. Also this kind of trading, like this quote unquote bottom and top ticking, I wouldn't call it, I just call it continuation trading, because it's literally just catching a continuation. Like obviously you're catching the top of the continuation, but or bottom of it, whatever you want to call it. But it's still like, yeah, like the fib and shit is just super strong. Like, um, this recently has been popping up with the fib quite often, like with a change in state of delivery or something. Um, yeah, it's just like if you have a key open and then a change in state of delivery and a fib. Oh, dude, it's so that's like, this happened a couple of times recently, and fuck me, it's been fucking nice taking those trades. But yeah, fucking gone, and hope you fucking learned something. Uh, yeah.